This is the profile, and it is a dimmer fixture. You may have seen it on stage with other lights like this, but it can also do this. So this fixture only has one channel of function. So if I hook it up to a lighting console, it's only going to give me control over one attribute, and that is just the intensity. But what we have on the fixture are these shutters. We're able to shape the light using any of these 4 shutters around the fixture. And I can show you a bit more of what they can do later on. Now if we turn this fixture around, there's 2 things we can adjust on this fixture, and we have zoom and we also have the focus, and we're doing all this manually. Now let's look at some of the other stuff we can do with this fixture. So here is the gel holder where we can put some of our color filters. This is the barn doors. Again, we can use these to shape the beam of light that comes out of the fixture. And here are some leaf filters that I have available, different colors. We've got different diffusion papers as well that can go into those gel holders. So the gel holder sits at the front of the fixture. It's got some little clamps I can just squeeze in there, or we can put the barn doors also at the front and it will just squeeze into the slot that's at the front of the fixture. Now let's have a look at what some of those features look like. So here are some of the colored gels. Here's some diffusion paper. This is how we can adjust the shutters to shape the beam of light to an object. Notice how sharp that beam is being cut. Here is the zoom and the focus. And here is the barn doors. You can shape the light further, a bit more of a softer edge to the shaping of that beam.